What's up guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to change your bolt latch. That is this little guy right here. If you're having trouble with your gun, the paintballs are falling from the gun, and it's the bolt latch that you need to change. So today I'm going to be showing you how to change it and fix the issue. I already did it. I already fixed my gun, already changed the latch, but I'm gonna do it again so you guys can see it. I'm gonna show you right now. Okay, this is the side of the gun. We're gonna take out this part. We're gonna unscrew all the screws. I'm not, and just when you open it, be careful. One more. Okay. You gotta be careful. You don't want to drop anything. This one got stuck. Okay. So this is the inside of the gun. You got good. Need to clean that. Do that later. But this is a bolt latch. The one you need to change. It was like this. You see how it's ripped? Okay, now you grab it, you put it like this. The lid, you see this? Like the tail? You put it this way. Like that. It goes like that. So when this moves, it won't rip. So it just goes down like that. Like, just put it like that, and just be careful not to drop anything because it's really sensitive. Whoops. Okay, we're back from the technical difficulties we had, but this thing fell out and everything fell out, so I already put it back. So just so you guys can see how it goes. This thing goes like this on the inside, just in case you guys drop anything. This is the correct way of the gun, how it goes. So this is the latch where you put it. Now we're gonna put everything back, the cover. Just be careful not to drop it like me. Should fit perfectly. Okay, I'm gonna grab my screwdriver. Okay, so we're gonna test out if it worked. I'm gonna put some paintballs. Okay. Just hold it. See, they don't fall anymore. So that's how you fix it. That's everything. So if you guys want to see more things on how to do other things, we're posting up some more stuff just like this video, and comment what else you guys want me to do next. All right, see you guys.